Hello, and welcome back to Shiba Inu Land, where we bring you the most recent and intriguing Shiba Inu news. We're giving away 100 million Shiba Inu coins to those who are watching. All you have to do is upvote, subscribe, comment hashtag Shiba Inu, and watch the video to the end to be eligible. The winners will be picked next month and publicized on the community page of the channel. Huge signal regarding the forthcoming price of the new Shiba currency, as well as the newly introduced exchange. A fresh CBE rally could happen soon. Widespread interest in the Shiba Inu project and its native cryptocurrency has been stirred by recent events. The company's development team is working on a burn mechanism that will have an impact on the entire Shiba Inu ecosystem. Satoshi Kusama, the company's founder and main programmer, revealed to the Shiba Army on Thursday. The future has shareholders wild with excitement. What would the official Twitter account of the group tease as yet another significant update? Today, we'll cover the reasons she defeated Inu Coin as well as the current state of Shiba Inu Coin. Don't forget to turn on all alerts if you want to participate in our weekly cash giveaway pin. Take a look at the chart before we get to our topic to see how the price of Shiba is doing on September 26th. Shall we? Shib's attempt to strengthen against the US dollar has gained traction at the recent low of 994 millions of $1, with the pair gaining positively after finding support above the prior day's low of 10,3400 millions of $1. To achieve forecast balance, the resistance level of 1,200 millions of dollars must be broken by the SIB-USD pair. The medium to long-term research still shows that the cheap downside bias has ended close to the yearly low of 700,1300 millions of dollars and that the rally may go higher. Broadly speaking, the fall between 1790 and 100. There are no overt signs of confinement. Millions of dollars are thought to be the pinnacle of the decreasing trend from the annual peak of $3,532 million. The following prediction and goal is a continuation of the previous uptrend from $994 million to the daily moving average MA50 at $1,270 million from $1,100 million. A bullish intraday trend can be seen as the Shiba USD is consolidating far above the transient low of $10 million. As long as the $1,200–900 million resistance holds, the price may stay within the range. A breach of the support level at $10 million will restart the drop from $13,9400 million, which will lead to a retest of the $700–1300 million annual low. A 1,300-minute pause. On the other hand, millions of $1 will signify a temporary bottom. The intraday bias may maintain its upward trend in expectation of a stronger bounce. The $13 millions of $1 resistance level could be approached if the $1,200–900 million level is routinely breached. However, prior to a sizable gain, local upward hurdles will limit the crypto's future gain. Now let's return to the subject. The official account tweet that Shib and your team recently announced via the Twitter Space event Shi Eternity Community update the official date for the global release of the Shiba Inu collectible card game. A lot has happened since Shiba Eternity's release in Australia, and all of this excitement and anticipation is only increased by this. Her announcement states that Eternity will debut on October 1st. The release will be celebrated as Download Day by the Shiba Inu community, which will simultaneously crash the Android and iOS app stores. As a result, there was a great deal of excitement about the coin and the ecosystem as a whole. Additional excellent news for the ecosystem is available. The development team is still finishing up SIB Arium as of this writing. The forthcoming update, which should be released on or around September 30th. One of the most well-known meme coins in the world, GPU, has not made any encouraging price changes recently, with a negative 6% rise over the past week. Shiba, though, can assist shift the situation in its favor given the ecosystem's numerous developments. For instance, Shiba Eternity's Shiba Download Day was just revealed to fall on October 1st, 2022. Shiba developers previously stated that card-based and maternity Shiba games would be released in the following year, and it appears that they will. Other happy occurrences followed this news, and they have the potential to raise the price of Shiba. Another significant update, in addition to the debut date, indicated that 5% of the game's overall revenue would be used to burn Shiba. This gave investors even more joy because it was good news for long-term investment. Shib, who is currently burning millions of tokens every day, burned over 16 million tokens in the previous 24 hours, further demonstrating the community's confidence in the token when she recently topped the list of cryptos held by the top 2,000 Ethereum whales. Another study revealed that 30% of female investors holding the same coin for long-term investment purposes outperformed male investors. Investors can therefore have optimism for better days in the long term thanks to the enhanced burn rate and the plan to use the Shiba Eternity's 5% profit. But here's what to anticipate. At the time of writing, she was trading at 1,700 millions of $1, slightly higher than the previous 24 hours, with a market capitalization of $5,921,568,523. Recently, she had not seen any significant uptakes. It's interesting to note that Shiba's MVRV ratio increased over the previous week. Similar to how it moved, the social volume of Bitcoin increased slightly during the previous few days. Despite the metrics and Shib's current price behavior not immediately indicating a northbound advance soon, we can anticipate these burning to reflect on Shiba's chart in the months to come given all the positive happenings in the community. Shiba's relative strength index was in a neutral position, yet CryptoQuant's data showed that the market was oversold stochastically, which may have aided Shiba in registering an upswing earlier than anticipated. In September, there are 100,000 more Shiba holders than there were in August, if we are talking about Shiba holders. The Crypto portal reports that compared to the previous recorded months, a distinct pace of growth was seen in the number of holders of Shiba Inu during the most recent month. The final 2 weeks beginning on September 10th saw the most increase at the same period. As a result, there have been 190,000 more wallets holding Shiba over the last 3 weeks. Then, just in the final 2 weeks of September, they have seen an 80,000 growth in size. Looking at the charts from the source, we can see that during the final 2 weeks of September, the pace of growth of Shiba holdings increased by almost a factor of 1.5. It's probable that the most recent news regarding the game Shiba Eternity, which is rising in popularity in Asia, is to blame for the development in the number of cheap holders, which is seldom not in an uptrend and consistently breaks records. All okay, bye for now. Additionally, we would like to point out that this is not a platform designed expressly to offer financial advice and that we are not urging you to invest in any particular business. This is just a route used to deliver instructional material to your door. In light of this, we advise you to conduct in-depth, comprehensive research on the subject before making any investments. We trust you enjoyed the video. If you own a Shiba, please let us know in the comments section below. Also, please subscribe and give us a thumbs up. Shiba Inu Land, we'll see you again soon. Bye.